everyone. I'm Kaya, and I welcome you all to our global webinar business opportunity presentation. And today is full of exciting possibilities and great insights. And with that, we are guided by our amazing global training director. Let us all welcome Mr. Emmanuel Pupa.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening to you, good day, wherever you're joining us from. It is Tuesday, and usually on Tuesday, we do this English call. Of course, we have calls through the week in other languages, but this is the main call in English that shows you who we are and what we're doing in our company, in our DePIN ecosystem that we're building. My name is Emmanuel. I'm the global training director in this company, responsible for the training program. And I'll be sharing with you briefly, as I usually do, who we are, a little bit about us, and how you can benefit by working with us. So I'm sure you got invited on this call by someone, and I'm sure you trust the person who invited you, and you're curious what this is about. So let me dive in and show you who we are. My screen should be uploading right now. There we are, and you should be able to see who we are and what we're doing. As I said, we are building a DePIN marketplace, and we are trying to. Let me try to get this. There. And we're trying to build an ecosystem which we've already started that is so complex with a 70-year-old roadmap that a few people have attempted to do in the blockchain space that is has a capitalization of $3.4 trillion right now. We are Senator Tech International, the mother company based in Dubai with three subsidiaries, zoreonx, Thai Group, and Nodex Labs. You have the website there down, and you can see it, nodexlabs.com. You can check it out if you want. That's the main company that does the technology part. In the management, we have different people from different parts of the world with different expertises. The first one on the left is Panos Salas, our esteemed CEO, international public speaker, co-trainer with Robert Kiyosaki in the same event, entrepreneur with classic businesses in Greece, multiple multiple years of experience in network marketing and direct sales, very instrumental with what's going on behind the company. And I am speaking to you right now in the position of the global training director, put here and responsible to build a training system. Then you have Alexander Nekula from Germany, who is helping us with the transition from Web 2 to Web 3. Of course, each one of us has their own expertise, their own responsibilities in the company. Of course, Talia Belmonte, who is helping us with the Zooms, and is helping us with the branding and social media posts and communication via the channels on WhatsApp, Telegram, and whatever channels we may have. And the four of us, of course, we have a team behind of dozens of people who are working in the programming and the coding blockchain space. A part of the ecosystem we're building with the Nodex ecosystem is our own blockchain, our own token, our own sports fantasy gaming app, our own apps that will measure your calories that you burn. It will be a secured chat in blockchain with a part of social media. Then Typex Pay, a Web3 payments app, Typex Exchange, which will be launched later, Nodex free app, which will be launching here in a couple of weeks. But coming back to the DePIN space, because we are building an ecosystem in the DePIN space, and that's very, very important for you to remember. You have three case studies down on the bottom left from the DePIN projects on CoinMarketCap. The Tao project, which did a 205x in growth. The Render project, which did 240x in growth, which is running on GPU power from computers and laptops. The Grass project, which did a 28x, which is running on the capitalizing on the unused internet, the internet bandwidth. These are three case studies we show. Now, of course, the DePIN capitalization is expected 500 billion by 2030. And that's big considering that today, the DePIN percentage from the 3.4 trillion, we have under 1%. So there's a lot of growth space for the DePIN project, and we expect to take a part of that slice. How DePIN works. I connect my smartphone to a DePIN software which collects the unused internet, the bandwidth, redirects it to a mother company, in our case, Nodex Labs, tracking the bandwidth, verifying the contributions, redirecting that then to a AI engine which is transforming this bandwidth into valuable resources, whether it's calculus power, processing power, energy, data, um, whatever resources that big companies need for their projects. Companies that are doing cloud computing, cloud storage, VPN, GPI, AI power, ChatGPT, gaming industry, 3D graphics, they are then producing technology. They're selling the technology, and after they sell the technology, in the end, the benefits go to the users who create the ecosystem, who create the centralized ecosystem, the decentralized ecosystem by using their devices. We're launching a DePIN free app very soon. This will be our magnet. It will go out to thousands, hundreds of thousands. We believe in years it will be to millions of people. This will be our magnet. You will be able to use the app for free, do tasks for free, get points, and based on the points, get tokens. You'll also be able to be rewarded by referring others to the app as a free user, of course. This will be a game changer for the first time in the network marketing industry. We're bringing a free product that people can use, that can reward it. And as a free user, you can get massive rewards. Now, of course, if you want more rewards, you can upgrade. Starting with next year, you're going to see these devices come out one by one. DePIN specific, customized, personalized devices, phones, laptops, routers, watches, and the dash cam, which you'll be able to put on your board, send data from the traffic, and get rewarded with tokens for doing that. As I said, we've already launched TypeXPay. It's already downloadable on Android and on App Store. It's our decentralized Web3 wallet. We already have Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, Tron, USDT, USDC on it. Soon will come Bitcoin and Solana. A Visa card will be integrated in this wallet. We already have this wallet. You can download it. Part of our ecosystem, we have our TCN token, only 900 million supply. It's a deflationary mechanism. A part of them will be burned, and a part of these tokens will be given to those who become founding members. They're already given to those who become founding members. Of course, this token will be in a vesting period until 2017, second half of the year. We are in right now in June 2025, so everyone who becomes a founding member gets the token at 1.20. And every month it goes up in price because the sooner you join as a founding member, the more tokens you get. The later you join, the less tokens you get. Let me give you an example. This is an example with our node of $100, the DePIN 100. That's how it's called. You buy a node of $100, you get tokens which are in the vesting period, but you get staking rewards for until you get 2x, so until you double your money. The staking rewards come at the rate of 7.8% per month. They come in USDT or USDC, and you can cash them out. Okay, only until you do 2x. Now, there's nodes of 14K, 10K, 7K, 3.5K, 1,200, 600, 300, 100. You buy whatever you can afford. You buy whatever is for you. You get a monthly reward. You get a daily reward. And if this 7.8% per month is too low for you, you can get to 11.7% per month just by referring 3 people in 27 days after you've joined the company. For the investors, for the people who decide to become node owners, we've created a very cool security, if you want. From the node of 300 and up, each node is represented by a device. And in 1 year from now, if you do not recover your money, there's going to be a claim button in your icon in your back office. You can claim the product, and even though you got the money, you get the product home as well. Just an example with the node of 3,500, if you purchase it, the potential of making, $18,000 if you have patience with the token 3-4 years. That's a real potential there. We are using rewards for recruiting people, for rewarding people, for bringing more customers, more node owners to our platform, because the big companies, Binance, Revolut, Booking, Bybit, and so forth, are using the reward system. We are too. And so we're using the reward system to reward people for bringing customers, node owners, new clients, and blockchain fans to our community. Legal disclaimer, guys, this is not a quick get rich scheme. You should understand the risks involved in cryptocurrency, market volatility, cybersecurity, regulatory issues. You know, it's not for everyone. And so be aware when you make a purchase to know what you're getting yourself into. So what are our rewards? The first reward we give is the expansion reward, meaning if you're a simple member, you make a sale, you get 5%. The higher you go in rank, the higher the commission you get. If you are a pioneer, you get 7%. If you're a builder, 9%. If you're a Krypton, 11%. Graviton, 12%. Quantum, 13%. And you can go up all the way to 16%. The higher the rank, the higher the commission you get. If you're a Krypton, you make a sale, you get 11%. However, if you have a friend John, and he makes a sale, he's a Zorion, he's a simple node owner. He gets 5%, right? But if you're a Krypton and he makes a sale, you get 6% because it's 11 minus 5. It's based on the hierarchy difference that you get commissioned, meaning you're incentivized to help your team make sales because you make money when they make sales. Okay, so that is very, very, very important, and keep that in mind. The next bonus reward that we give is the leadership reward bonus. It's a total of 33% on 15 levels. Basically, this pays you residual income on the income your community gets daily. Okay. They get DePIN rewards every day, 0.30%. From what they get paid every day, you get a percentage. Okay. If somebody on your level one gets $10 per day, you get $1.5 because they're on your level one. The first two levels pay more than the others. Okay. So that's important to remember. What is this? You make a sale, and for the next 2 years, you get passive income from the sale you made once. Game changer. You heard me right. You make one sale, and you get paid for 2 years from the sale you made one time without that person purchasing again. Team Triumph Reward, our matrix, very, very cool system. Here you can make money even if you don't refer people. You get a position in the matrix. People join after you. They join the matrix after you. You get paid every single month. Every node has a validity in the Triumph. $300 6 months, $600 12 months, $1,200 24 months. As long as you're active in the Triumph, you get paid from the Triumph. When you become inactive, you don't lose your position. Whenever you get reactivated, you continue to get paid. The next bonus is the leadership royalty reward. This is a leadership bonus. It is only for leaders who hit the rank of Graviton and up, meaning $71,000 sales with the team. This is for leaders. It's not for everyone. It's paid once per month, and you get another percentage, total override on what the team gets monthly. So if your team gets monthly $10,000, you get 10% of 10,000, which is 1,000, for example. All right. So that's what's going on right now. And you can get this if you are a leader and like to build communities. This is a very powerful bonus, but only for leaders. Okay. This is for eagles, as we say, not for chickens. The next bonus we have is the hierarchy bonus. The higher you go in rank, the higher the commission you get when you hit the rank. One-time bonus when you hit the rank. Pioneer, $45. DU means dollars. Builder, $150. Krypton, $450. Graviton, $1,500. And so up it goes the higher the rank, okay? Um, we have a bunch of quantums, a bunch of legends. In the next week, we'll probably have the first Titan in the company. And you need to know that the only condition to hit this rank is you need to have the volume for the rank from two different lines. You cannot have the volume from one line alone in order to hit the rank. The volumes are accumulated. They don't flush out every month. They don't disappear. Whether you do the rank in 3 days, 20 days, 6 years, 2 months, 9 months, 2 years, there it is. The volume is there. It will be waiting for you to do the rank. Sustainability, guys. For the sustainability, for a simple node owner or investor, you have a DePIN of 2x, so meaning you get the daily reward, the monthly reward until you get 2x. You double your money as a node owner. Now, if you're a recruiter, if you're a networker, if you build communities, you get a 4x on your commissions. So, meaning you put 7,000 DU, you get 28,000. Okay. 4x on the commissions. All right. You put 4K, you can make 16K. You put 1K, you can make 4K. You put 300, you can make 1,200. Whenever you make 4x in commissions, then you can repurchase a node if you want to make more money from the system. That's totally up to you. The payments are done in USDT and USDC on the BEP20 network. Whenever you have $20, you can make a withdrawal every single day if you want to. There's a 5% platform fee, which the company keeps. Every single amount that comes in the platform, 5% stays with the company. And there's a withdrawal fee of 0.1% when you make a withdrawal. This is the roadmap, only part of the roadmap. We have a roadmap until 2032. Every year, four technologies, four apps, devices, blockchain, apps, sports, gaming, crypto wallet, Web3 payment wallet, calorie burning apps wallet. I mean, you have so many cool things in here that you're going to enjoy. A roadmap for 7 years with four technologies coming to the community every single year. Again, we have this wallet, Typex Pay. The Visa card will be integrated in it in the next months. We've signed a contract with a bank from Dubai, and we are creating an infrastructure with multiple streams of income so people can make money. We are giving you the opportunity to become a node validator. There's a couple of hundred node validating positions in the system for the people who want to become node validators and make passive income every year from the blockchain transactions like Solana or Ethereum do. You can do that, of course, and you can ask those who invited you how you can make that possible. Our next event is in Cairo, in Egypt. We have a qualification period ending June, and the people who want to come to Cairo to see us, to feel us, to see who we are, to understand the vision, we're going to have an event there, 19th to the 23rd of September. Talk about the benefits of the nodes. $100 gives you daily rewards, monthly rewards, and some tokens. The higher the node, the higher the benefit. $600 opens up the leadership residual income like the 300, but the $600 also opens up the app airdrop users. You will get people connected to you as though you've signed them up, even though you haven't signed them up. People who download the app for free will be taken and divided by those who have a node of 600 or higher. With a node of 1,200, you'll be able to make money from the cards, the Visa cards. When people order the cards, you can make money. When people withdraw money on the cards, how about making money? If you go all the way up to the 7,000 node, the 7,000 node will get you into the VIP validator pool, and you make a percentage there. And then of course there's the higher nodes, which I think the 10K is already out of stock, and they can get you in the VIP validators. But we're sharing a percentage from the blockchain transaction fees for life. Now talking about the tokens, guys, the Bitcoin was launched in a couple of cents. It reached over $100,000. You know that. The render token, which is the DePIN token, working with the GPUs from laptops, they were launched at 5 cents, went to an all-time high of $13. Where will the TCN token go? I don't know, but it can go very high, of course. You can think about that. What do you want to do with the TCN token? I just want to finish with this. The team try and reward, the team matrix that I told you about. This is a 8-level matrix, multiples of 3. First come, first serve, left to right. The people are positioned left to right. You cannot decide where you place someone. This is where you can get spillover. First level 3, second level 9, third level 27, fourth level 81, fifth level 243, sixth level 729, and so forth. Close to 10,000 people in a full matrix. The sooner you join the matrix, the better it is. There's only 1,500 people globally right now, guys, in the whole company. You can imagine what that means. And the sooner you join, the better you can get positioned in a matrix where in the future you can get people that come up after you and you can get paid from their nodes. If you understand this, you will take a position and you will not wait, of course. The ball is in your court. You missed the Bitcoin train. You missed the Ethereum train. You missed the Solana train. You didn't buy Tesla stocks when they were a couple of pennies or dollars. You didn't buy Google stocks when they were dying. You didn't buy Nvidia stocks when they were like a couple of dollars. You have this train right now. It's in your station. You can get on board. You can get on board. It's only $100 to join. Now, if you're serious, you're going to put a lot more. You've been invited to a journey that few people have heard about. The DePIN capitalization in this moment is under 1% from the total crypto capitalization. We are expected to grow the DePIN capitalization to 500 billion in the next 5 years. We will take a slice of that. The only variable is how much money will you make from this ecosystem, because this company will go to the stars and it will go big with or without you, with or without me. So let the person who invited you, if you want to join this DePIN ecosystem and be a part of our revolution. Thanks so much for joining. Have a wonderful week. See you on the next call, and watch us or join us. Have a good one. All the best.